Presenting our MarkinLASE-N Series laser marking solution. The MarkinLASE-N is a compact, fully enclosed Class 1 solution or optional Class 4 open marking for larger parts. Our systems are powered by an SPI dual-wave MOPA fiber laser source and our standard 20 watt or upgraded 50 watt. The air-cooled, maintenance-free system has a programmable Z-axis for easy-to-program, repeatable parts. The versatility of the MarkinLASE allows the user to ID a variety of materials including any metal surfaces, synthetics, carbide, painted or anodized parts, and most plastics. Our systems can also be integrated into many industries, including aerospace, medical, jewelry, electronics, tooling, and many more. Are you intimidated programming a laser marking system? The MarkinLASE-N Series is for everyone. The unit is equipped with an easy-to-use software that can mark image files, dynamic barcodes, alphanumeric characters, array marking, as well as many other capabilities. The software has a variety of preloaded settings to make marking style decisions even easier. Need an ergonomic solution? The auto door option gives the user a stress-free part loading and unloading with the push of a button. The laser-safe glass on the enclosure gives the user the ability to watch their parts being marked. This makes it safe for anyone to use in an office setting or on the shop floor. MarkinLASE means limitless possibilities. Thank you for watching, and contact us for your next part or tag marking application. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out more helpful training videos.